Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about Cold War era. So the Cold War era existed from 1945 to 1991 in the world. We experienced the consequences of Second World War in 1945. So after the end of Second World War, two superpowers came into limelight. That was USA and USSR. So USA was a country which always favored capitalist or capitalism, and USSR on the other hand was favoring the idea of socialism. So their ideologies were different from one another. So this created a divide among the countries also. The countries in the world who favored capitalist, they joined the bloc which is headed by USA. The countries which favored socialism, they joined the bloc created by USSR. So both the countries created a divide among the other countries of the world. India was not a part of capitalist nor socialist bloc. So some countries like India, they kept themselves away from these blocs. So these countries formed a new system, formed a new group which is called Non-Aligned Movement, NAM. So these countries are referred to the third world, or the countries who favored neither capitalism nor socialism. So these NAM countries are mainly India, Egypt, Indonesia, Yugoslavia. So they created their another group. But in the Cold War politics, many European countries who favored the ideologies of capitalism, they joined the Western Alliance, and the countries who favored the idea of socialism, they joined the Eastern Alliance. So as we have discussed that it was a Cold War, means there was no full scale war, there was no hot war, war with weapons, armories. It did not happen. But the situation was very intense. The situation was like any time war can take place. So such a situation is referred to Cold War period or Cold War. So the Cold War period is evident in the world from 1945 to 1991 for a period of about 46 years. So in this 46 years, many changes have occurred in the world politics. The world politics has experienced new agreements in the field of space, in the field of nuclear weapons, in the field of arms and ammunition, in the field of technology, and the world has become a bipolar world. The world was run by two major powers, two superpowers. So USA and USSR were confronting with each other. They were battling with each other in many areas, and their weapons were technology, their weapons were financial resources, their weapons were natural resources. So they keep on doing such activities just to get extra edge, extra advantage over one another. So USA and USSR, both superpowers, have created a political environment in the world for 46 years which created a lot of tension among the countries who were favoring them, and those who did not favor them, they also had a fear of such superpowers that they might create some trouble for them in future. So to avoid such situation, some countries who were known as third world, including India, they kept themselves away from such Cold War politics. But they did not want to remain aloof from the entire world politics. So they participated in world politics by creating a new group, that is NAM. So this is how the Cold War politics is all about.